Wavedirect is bringing fiber internet to your area, specifically to homes and businesses across Essex County, Ontario. Fiber internet uses cables made of thin glass fibers to transfer data as light signals at ultra-fast speeds. This type of internet connection is far superior to traditional DSL or cable internet services. But all fiber internet connections are not the same. Often, we see internet services advertised as fiber that aren't a true fiber connection. They are only fiber fed. I will explain further. In order for an ISP to deliver the fastest speeds, the internet connection must be a complete fiber line direct from the ISP all the way to the home of the subscriber. Often, internet companies will make up silly pseudo names for things that are advertised as fiber but are only fiber up to a certain point. Usually, somewhere near your home, they convert back to a traditional coax cable or phone line, meaning you are not getting the fast, reliable connection you were advertised. At Wavedirect, we want to deliver what we promise and have clearly marketed which services are fiber-fed internet solutions and which services are a true fiber connection. A clear, honest message for our loyal customers and internet for everyone.